Python code challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The correct answer is B. False. Explanation. In this code, we first assign the value x to the variable str. Then, we check if this variable is present in the string Python using the in keyword. The in keyword checks for membership. The string Python does not contain the character x. Therefore, the expression evaluates to false. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.